Good morning everyone. Are you guys facing some issues getting your new web pages indexed into Google? If yes, do watch this video till end. The first thing you should be checking upon is the sitemap of your website as such. The new URLs should be part of sitemap. Second thing to verify is whether the new pages are internally linked to the pages already indexed as such. The third thing to ensure is compelling title and description for the web page, and along with that you should ensure that the schema data is updated. Another tip can be updating the new pages with the descriptions on your Google My Business profile. Another valuable tip can be to tweet about the new pages you have set up. Google indexes billions of tweets every day, and chances are any information about your new page can be picked up from Twitter. Another way could be updating those web pages on Google News sites as such. Another sure shot method to get your pages indexed is using the indexing API. API indexing helps owners to notify Google when new pages are added or removed. This helps Google to schedule the crawl for the new pages of the website. The tips we have shared would definitely help you to get your new pages indexed into Google, but please remember, indexing is not equivalent to ranking. You'll still have to work on SEO optimization to get your pages ranked at the top of Google. Hope the information shared was useful for all the webmasters. Please feel free to get in touch with us for any further help. You can reach out to us through our website, and also a humble request to please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.